Okay, there you can see for the head, there are different shape. And the difference between of them is that you can notice this and this. And the spiral are inside and the spiral are outside. And for this style, if this one is okay for you, and you can use like this, and one by one you can attach this one, and you also can attach this one. Everyone will be okay. And for this one, you can see that and the spiral are outside and need to match this. And in the following, and we use another way so it can't match in the following part. So another way is we make the following containers use same way like this, so it can do like this. So you can see which way would you prefer for you.